What's up guys? I have some speed reviews for you right now in no particular order. I'm just gonna go right through my list here. First and foremost, we have the Pureology Hydrate Shampoo and Conditioner. Sorry, it's like that. This is $36 each at the beauty supply. I believe you can get it on Amazon as well. You can get it in my salon. I can't say enough good things about this product. It leaves my hair feeling just amazing. The conditioner is so smooth. It leaves the hair just feeling just like soft, and the conditioner has peppermint, so it's really cooling on the scalp as well, which I love. I put conditioner on my scalp sometimes because I just feel like it's dry. It nourishes color treated hair. It's just great. It smells really good. It doesn't leave the hair feeling like filmy or anything like that. And this is an OG product, and people are like now discovering it. This has been around for so long, which is another reason why I like it so much, because you're not a guinea pig to this product. It's been around the block for a minute, so it works. It works really well. Next is the Bare Minerals Concealer. This is the Bare Skin Concealer for $28. I like it. It keeps the under eye hydrated, hence it's a serum concealer. It's medium to full coverage, so you can build it up if you like. Some people say it's too oily under the eye. I've never experienced that. I can maybe see it being too oily if you use this as a eyeshadow primer, but that's why you don't use concealer for eyeshadow primers, because a lot of concealers have oils because it's for the skin, it's for the face. So I liked it. I've used this so many times. Like, this is probably like my 10th one because I used to work for Bare, so all we could wear was Bare Minerals makeup. But besides that fact, I actually do really like this concealer, so I would recommend it. Next, I have this Pixi Detoxify Depuffing Eye Patches. So 60 patches plus the spatula. I got this at Ulta. It's $24. Did it remove my dark circles? No, they're still there. Does it remove puffiness? Yeah, a little bit, but not enough for me to buy it again, because one of my pet peeves with this product was I had to only use it at night, because if I used that during the day and then applied makeup, my makeup would peel. It would like peel. My skin was like peeling. I don't know if that makes sense, or if you guys ever experienced that, but yeah, it would just like peel off, and I didn't like that, so I would only have to use it at night, because obviously I wasn't wearing makeup at night, so it was the only time it worked for me. Next we have JLo Beauty, that Blockbuster Wonder Cream. Looks like that. It's $59. I buy mine off of Sephora. Y'all know I love JLo. I mean, I feel like that woman can do no wrong in my eyes. I know the trolls are gonna say about how she's a hoe and this and that. I don't care about her personal life. I say I love her because of her professional career, where she's come. She came from nothing and she made herself somebody. So that's why I love JLo. And I love just her style and her makeup and all of that. So needless to say, I love her skincare line. Like I said, it's $59. I buy it at Sephora. It's hyaluronic. There has hyaluronic acid in it, so that's great for smoothing the skin. It hydrates the skin. It feels like I'm putting a lot of money on my face. It feels luxurious. So I've bought them many times already, probably like my 3rd time buying that cream specifically. I use that cream at night because the other cream she has the SPF in it, so I use the other cream during the day and I use the Wonder Cream at night. And the Wonder Cream actually reminds me of Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Cream, which is like $100. So it's very, very similar in the texture and like the richness of the cream. So absolutely, I'm gonna keep repurchasing that one. Since we're on the JLo Beauty kick, the JLo Beauty That JLo Glow Serum. I mean, it's pretty big. It's $79. Again, I buy this at Sephora. I mean, you get 1 fluid ounce in here. You would think it would be more because the packaging is so big. Like, it's bigger than my hand. I feel like with this serum, I'd have to try it again. I wasn't blown away by it. And don't get me wrong, it did what serums do, which is hydrate and all that great stuff, which it did. But I guess for $79, I was expecting it to do more. Maybe like, I don't know, get rid of these fine lines that I'm developing in my mid-30s. But yeah, I would probably have to try that again. to see if it did like any real difference. Next is the Amika Soul Food Nourishing Mask. I believe this was a Sephora gift. This brand I think is very underrated. It's a professional brand, so I've seen it at the professional beauty supplies, and I loved this. I think regular price is $32. It made my hair feel like butter, and it smelled so good. Y'all know I am a sucker for smells. I still smell it. It smells so good, but it really left my hair feeling silky smooth and just phenomenal. So I would absolutely try this brand. If I get tired of the Pureology, this is the brand I'm gonna be moving to next for sure. Okay, next is the Zuzu's Creation, which is one of my friends. Her body scrub in Peach Mango, and it looks like that. Now she makes these from her home, very organic. She grows some of the ingredients in her backyard, like it's legit. She makes it from scratch. It's amazing, not just because she's my friend, but literally I have bumps that I develop here on my arm, and it goes away when I use this scrub. It's just, I don't know, magic in a bottle. It's great. And I believe her scrubs run $20. Jeffree Star Cosmetics, the concealer. This is $22. I'm in C13. It's a little light for me, but I was able to make it work. This is amazing. I broke the little star logo. You would have a little star right there on the top, but it broke. Very full coverage. The wand is definitely a different kind of wand as well. You guys can see. So it lasted me a long time too, because I didn't need a lot. It was full coverage with just a little doop, doop, maybe like 3 dupes. Doop, doop, doop. A little bit goes a long way. It was outstanding. I would totally purchase anything from him. Again, I don't care about his personal life. I just like his makeup. I think he does a really good job. Next I have the Anastasia, the Brow Wiz and the Brow Definers. The Wiz, for those of you that don't know, is the thinner pencil, like that. And that one's $22. I'm sorry, $25. And the Definer is a thicker triangular pencil, and that one's $26. So for a $1 difference, not bad. Personally, I used to like the Definer better, but now I'm getting into the Wiz better because I feel like I don't have as much eyebrow hairs as I used to, and I don't fill them in as much as I used to either. So, but they're both amazing. I mean, if you want any type of brow products, Anastasia is the way to go. She's the queen of all the brow products, and I feel like her prices are reasonable. I mean, it's a professional, it's a high-end professional line, so there's more expensive brow products than her, and then there's cheaper brow products than her, so I think she's pretty reasonable with her prices. The Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara for $11.99. This is the best mascara on the market. You guys see me use it in all my videos. I've gone through, can't tell you how many of these already. It's just so good. I feel like you have to break it in a little bit. I feel like with mascaras you gotta break them in. I don't know what that is, but it just gives you like so much length. Like, I feel like I don't even need false lashes anymore when I do my makeup. I gave myself a lash lift, and ever since then I just use that mascara and call it a day. Even with my full glam makeup like I have right now, I don't have falsies on because I just don't feel like I need it. Like, my lashes look so good with this mascara. So the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipsticks, I love these. These are $18. They last forever and they don't dry out like some other lipsticks do. It's got a unique applicator as well. See how it's kind of curved at the tip? I like that. Or curved in the middle right here. Whoop. It's got a little swoop. Love that. His colors are unique as well. Like this is a red, but it has like green shimmer in it. It looks so good. Let me see if I have enough to give you a swatchy swatch. Actually, it's not green. It's like a gold shimmer. I thought it was green from the packaging. It's definitely a gold shimmer. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's definitely some shimmer in there. It's pretty dried out now because I've had it for so long and I've used it up. But great product for $18. Not bad, Jeffree, not bad. The Sigma liquid pen eyeliner. It's okay. It's $20. Personally, the NYX liquid liners are the best. I'll post a picture so you guys can see. I think they're called the Epic liners. They're the best. They're cheaper. So this was meh for me. Will not be repurchasing. The Unique Mineral Touch Skin Perfecting Concealer. This is so old, but it was so good. It's so full coverage, and this little itty bitty thing lasts forever because it's so full coverage. It's $32, and that's when I used to sell Unique. So would I repurchase? Probably not, because I'd have to go through a representative to purchase it. It's not as simple as just going to the store or ordering online. Or maybe I could do it online, but it's probably some random person's website. So for that reason I wouldn't repurchase. But it was a really good product. It's a shame because Unique has so many good products. So full coverage with their products, but I don't know, they went the route of Avon, and I don't know if that benefited them or what, but I feel like they should be in like Sephora. Like that's how good their stuff is. But anyways, moving on, the Ole Hendrickson Truth Serum. This is $56. I bought the travel kit to try it out. At first, this serum, like, I think I had like some acne going on. It completely cleared my skin. It brightened it. It was just like really great. Then like towards the end, it stopped doing anything for me. I mean, I would still like recommend it because it cleared my imperfections that I had at the moment. So I think that's really good, but I don't know, it just felt like it wasn't doing much towards the end. But it firms, it hydrates, it's vitamin C, so that's amazing. It brightened my skin, and like I said, it did clear it. So yeah. The Benefit Gimme Brow, it's a little this is $15. It's good. I mean, look how itty bitty. When you have like itty bitty hairs on your brows that you want some gel on, this is the product for you because of the brush. It's so little. But yeah, it was good. It held the brows up. I mean, you can't really go wrong with a brow gel, you know? So it's a good color. I mean, the brush was good color, holds the brows. What more can you ask for? I finally tried this overhyped concealer. And that is the Tarte Shape Tape. For $31, I would rather do the Jeffree Star one, just because it's not as full coverage as like people were saying. I think with these influencers, they were piling on a bunch of product to make it full coverage, but like I said, I'd rather use Jeffree Star. It's just overhyped. I don't know what else to say. But it wasn't all of that. Like it got so much credit, and I'm just still trying to figure out why. Way too overhyped. So that's a no for me. Next, I have the One Size Go Off Dissolving Mist for $24. The best. Not because I love them, but I feel like anything the stars do, Patrick Star, Jeffree Star, I love. This is a Patrick Star's brand, and it lasts forever because you don't need a lot, and it removes even like crusty mascara. It's so good. Right now I'm using this oil-based makeup remover. and it doesn't even work as good as this mist did. Like, I feel like I have to like keep scrubbing to get the mascara off. So for $24, this is the best, the best. And last but not least is the Inkey List Caffeine Eye Cream for $10.99. It was so-so. I was expecting more because it says it's caffeine and that helps with depuffing the under eyes and whatnot. It was okay. I mean, for $10 you can't really complain, but I was expecting more because, again, something else that's being really hyped up right now. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed these speed reviews. Peace out.